Hola Amigos, welcome to Insights. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you've already been here and haven't yet subscribed, please do it right away and don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified whenever we come up with more such insightful videos. To create intros for your YouTube channel, you need to have these 4 apps that you see on the face of my screen. The first one is Vlogit. It is an editing app. I'll be using Vlogit. You can use any editing app according to your comfort. The next app is a Vidmate. It is a video downloader app. You can download YouTube videos for free. The third app you need is YouTube, and the fourth one is the Play Store. If you don't have any editing app in your phone, you can get into Play Store and type Vlogit. This is the app that you need. I already have this app installed in my phone. If you don't, then you can go ahead and download this app at this step. Moving on to the next step, get into YouTube and type intro without text. Once you enter this, you get a plethora of intro templates. You can choose any template according to your video content. I'm just randomly selecting videos here to check which one suits best for my videos. I kind of liked that one, so I'll click on share and click on Vidmate icon to download the video. The video is getting downloaded. Guys, let me tell you, you'll not find Vidmate on Play Store due to some third-party reasons. If you want to download this app, then I'll give its link in the description box. You can go there and download it. Perfect, the video is downloaded. Now let's get into the editing app. And select the video that you have downloaded now. Click on the text icon that you see in the bottom left, and you can add your channel name. You'll also find many styles. You can choose anything according to your wish. And here I enter my channel name, that is Insights. You'll also find various options, like you can change your font or color. Here I'm changing my font, and here's the animation style. If you want your text to fade away or flash or come in a different format, in a transition, and here if you want your channel name to come in the starting of the video, you can drag this meter to your left. I want it to be shown in the end of my template, so I'm dragging this to the extreme end. You also have many other options. You can edit your video using those options. You also have music. If you want to change your music, add music, you can do it. You have many default musics as well, or you can also use the one that you have in your phone
a library, but here I don't want to change my music. I just want it to be the way it is. Using the other editing options, you can increase or decrease the speed, or if you want your video to be in a reverse mode, you can do that. I'm finalizing the video and saving this, and here I'll click on save to camera roll. This video gets saved in your phone library, and it's done.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd appreciate any feedbacks and inputs, and I'll try my best to use them in my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Wassalama. Goodbye.